This is our ruched panel. It's uniquely designed for two applications. The first I'm going to show you is using a wood or metal pole. And the best use is with a 1.5 inch diameter like we have here. That'll allow you to just slide the pocket end of the drape right over the rod and gather it on the pole. Now it's a ruched top, so it takes a little dressing out. It's not going to just fall into place. We have a video you can watch on some tips on how to do that. The second way is using the hooks with a drapery rod with rings. And what you're going to do is you're going to be given 5 hooks for each panel. Start at the end. When you put your hook in, you want it to wind up being about 1 inch from the top. And then you go to the front. You'll notice that there's seams in between every ruche. And on the back, you want to take the seam, follow it around to the back, put your next hook in. And try, if you can, to grab some of the face fabric so that it doesn't pull apart when you hang it. But you got to be careful, because if you go a little too far, you'll get what we call a shiner. It comes out the front and that looks bad. You'll have to do it over. So just far enough in, and you'll get all of these done. And then you're going to hang it on your decorative rod. And preferably, you want to use either a 1.5, a 2.5, or even a 3 inch. There's a lot of variety, because the drape's going to hang on the rings. You're going to use 5 rings for each panel. And the drape's going to hang from the eyelets on the bottom of each ring. So just put 1 drapery hook on each ring. And again, this is going to take a little bit of dressing out. It's not just going to fall into place, but it's not too bad. You can watch the video on how to do that. And this is going to give you a sophisticated elegance that our other draperies don't afford you. And it'll be a beautiful eye catcher in your home. So follow these basic rules. You'll wind up with a drape that looks like that. You dress it down a little bit, and your drape will look beautiful every time.